Now people, only ready for this? Yo, St. Lucia bad, and me call it a little Trinidad. Now, you see the youth right there, so him name KODAK. And you see KODAK is a notorious murderer. We get slap way. Him personally is a bottom feeder. You'd call him like a low level bottom feeder. But guess who him par with? Him par with that boy here, we name LB. See him right here, so. And you see LB, him around the slum, you know. And him swear him are the wickedest thing. But me I tell you now, about both of them. Now, you see KODAK, him dead. The man them get rid of him. And yo, the man them get rid of him in the wickedest way. Cause a bike and chain badness them deal with, you know. So him drop off him bike, crash, broke up him hand, fuck up him eye, and then I'm house and the man them kick off him blood clot door. Me I laugh and go for him. But you know why them do that? Now, enough people are talk about Trinidad and Jamaica. But me I tell you now, yo, in a St. Lucia, this thing lawless, dog. There is no order. Now you see that youth in front of you, a KODAK, and him come from the slums. Me no really know where him come from directly where him born, but me know say in the slum him there. Because you see mother, pardon my language, did a fuck a little man down there. So I down there him end up. Now, me gonna explain certain things where him do to the best of my ability, you understand? And show you how dangerous that little bottom feeder is. Yo, the man them take him out in a fear. You understand? Which me tell you no earlier in the video, but me gonna repeat it again. Alright, let's go. Now, before me talk about KODAK, bottom feeder, I want to talk about a mid-bottom feeder or a mid-level bottom feeder. Look on the screen in front of you now. That boy the LB or lean back. Now you see him, big INFORMA, big pussy hole, big scammer, big bottom feeder, mid-level bottom feeder. And me have a video come out on that pussy here. So I want to stay tuned to the channel. LB, countryman a come for your pussy.
Law enforcement was summoned to the scene of what many first thought was a vehicular crash. However, the Millennium Highway on Monday 7th February would become St. Lucia's latest crime scene. Reports indicate the victim, identified by law enforcement as 26-year-old McGavie Alexander of Bexar, was gunned down while driving a scooter. Another male...
Now, that was the young man right there that the man killed. And may I tell you something? You see that young man has someone I look on. Him never have a problem with KODAK. You understand? Him no know none of him victim them. Him kill over 5-6 man, you know. And him no know none of him victim. The news clip on the ear right there, so. Or the youth this right there, so. But, you see, God not like ugly, you know. And him not feel good about pretty either. Because you see the way how KODAK dead. Him dead worse than him victim them. Let me tell you. Him a par with some set of man. You understand? Lean back now, run him and say boy, nah par with him. Cause him a thief or him a this. I want thing if me a murder some man for man, you know. No boy can come diss me up, you know. So me don't know how he make INFORMA lean back diss him up. Pussy, me a murder man for you and you come run me. Like how me see a woman did run on YouTube, me know. Come out of me yard, murderer, murderer. But anyways, him now, him I link some new set of man and I ride with them. Like me say, a bike and chain badness, you know. They are St. Lucia. Whole heap of money there, you know. But a bike and chain badness the money I deal with. Him drop off on bike, broke him foot and lose a eye. More want to listen to me now. Drop off of the bike, crash off a bike. Broke him foot, lose a eye. Now him did have a girl when did David. I don't think I'm be able mother. But yo, him used to beat that girl there. Like, whoa. Yo, I ask all my virgin, I say, so when him a beat the girl, the man can't say nothing. And my virgin, I say what? You mad? If you say nothing, I'll kill him, I go kill you. I dead, you dead. So him go back at that girl the yard, you know, after him broke him foot. And each up at the girl yard. And a little man programming me, I go tell him about that. You see the last man him shoot was this man right here, Danny Boy. And you see Danny Boy is an older man. KODAK was 20 something. Young boy. Like my mother would have said, young boy don't know storm. So, him are the last man him shoot Danny Boy. And he make the man lose him leg. And things say, the man forget about it. Remember now, the INFORMA boy lean back. We say him run Castries, start dissing. So him left and go par with some other set of man. End up shot Danny Boy and forget about it. Time pass, him have him accident. Him have a bad accident, lose a eye, you know. Professional hitman, drop off a bike, lose a eye, broke him foot, go back at the woman when him used to beat like a dog house. But guess what? A Danny Boy run the neighborhood there. You understand? And a Danny Boy run the money and program him and fix him up. Yo, him dead more terrifying than all of the people who him kill. You understand? Now me have the video of the man where them say kill him. You understand? And me now go show that video there. If you don't want to see it, log on the WhatsApp group and I'll put it in the WhatsApp group. But yeah, a Danny Boy fix him up and him dead. That hitman yeah, him dead. One of the most terrifying blood clot death. Lose one eye, and we are patching a bed dog, broke foot, and the man them kick off in the door and strain him up. You understand? And guess what? Me no feel no way about it, cause that boy you understand, KODAK, he used to go around and kill enough innocent people and him take enough work. You understand? And him make certain man big up him head. Cause when him do him go around man take up, it take a man, kill a man, get pay feet and then them live in a guest house. You understand? Me I show you something again. Now, look at this picture right here. On the left, that's cat. Him dead. Me gonna talk about him too in another video. Alright, now me gonna rinse out St. Lucia. But if you notice, the picture on the right is cat. The one on the left is KODAK. And KODAK is wearing cat gold chain in this picture and wearing cat glasses. And maybe even cat earring to rascal. Now, when you hear me talk about bike and chain badness, look at cat chain, you know. 40,000 euro chain, and them don't have a house for sleeping at the rascal bike and chain. And now, him pose up in it, and now him feel like he is the big man and start kill for cat and do no fuckery. You understand? I just want to show you that. Now you see that boy here? Red name KODAK. Me have more video come out with him. Can do some enough things in do a Martinique. You understand? And you see the INFORMA boy lean back. Scammer boy. Enough video come out on him. And me a video come out on cat. Like me say, me have a rinse out St. Lucia. See? So more to stay tuned for this. But for now, in that notorious hitman. You understand? We're dead like dog to rascal. Leak out in the eye, broke him foot. The girl, where him a fuck, line him up, cause when the man them kick off the door and come in, you know, she not then nowhere in sight. I don't know if we did mention that in the beginning when I talk about it, but remember the girl line him up along with Danny boy, and they make him have it, man. Believe, if me they did them would have laugh off of that pussy, yo. And that again. And this is a warning for the man them out there. Wanna make some money and stop killing off the people them in the neighborhood. See, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and pick another video. I'm out, yo.